The whole machine adopts a unit frame structure, and the machine length can be selected according to production requirements. AC variable frequency stepless speed regulation, with multi-point synchronous control for front traction, coating, composite traction, winding and other processes. Perfect combination of PLC program control and human-machine interface, HMI, featuring high precision, sensitivity, easy operation and anti-interference performance. The coating method adopts Anilox roller metering coating with automatic glue leveling function. The drying section adopts a segmented independent constant temperature drying system, available with multiple heating methods such as hot air circulation or infrared radiation. Each temperature zone realizes automatic temperature control. The guide rollers inside the oven adopt master-slave double slider installation and drive synchronously with the main machine. The oven can be side opening or cylinder jack-up type, configured with bilateral operation and maintenance platforms and protective railings. Automatic counting, automatic speed up/down, automatic broken belt detection, automatic fault alarm, and automatic clutch for pneumatic components. Unwinding and winding systems adopt double station tilting type or single station hydraulic lifting type.